Good morning. So we've got another vehicle which I think warrants a video on our YouTube channel, because not many people may know this. So this is a 2017 Polo. I think it's a 6C version. Now, with a lot of the VW range, the older models, the main media box, which is normally located in the glove box, which fundamentally controls the whole head unit, it's a very common fault for those to fail after a number of years, and it's rather a costly exercise to either get a replacement, whether you get a second-hand one, it's still quite a lot of money. Then you have to have it all coded to the car to work properly. You can send the units off to get repaired, which we had a quote on this particular one for £750 to repair it. Obviously the customer wasn't prepared to spend that much to get that resolved. So here at TTW we came up with another solution, which I'll just show you now. But I'll just quickly show you while I'm just outside. So we've integrated a new reversing camera into this particular one because he didn't have that at the time. But what we've done is we have an option, because it's very hard to get a double din for these systems. So as you can see here, this looks pretty much like an original. So that's the original, and this is the solution now that we have put in here, which does away with the main media box, which is concealed down here in this one, because that was completely defunct and the screen wasn't even powering up, wasn't doing anything. So we've basically replaced it with a like for like but upgraded version, which now incorporates full Apple CarPlay. So if we go back into here and we just go into media, as you can see, the whole interface here just looks as it would do previously from the OEM system, but now you've got a lot more sort of features. We've also now, for the customer, incorporated reversing camera in here now. So all in all, the car still retains its OEM look, but it's now got full CarPlay capability, full extra sort of interface features, but just looks as it was. So rather than having to put doubled in systems, changing the look of the car and everything else, we're able now on these particular Polos, and probably the same on some of the Golf range as well, that we can swap it out for a more up-to-date system in here, rather than having to go down the route of a doubled in that's not genuine. So if you're having problems with your media box and nothing's working properly, and you've been quoted a fortune to have that repaired and not really gaining any extra features within the vehicle, then please give us a call at TTW Installations. I'll be very happy to offer this upgrade for you.